Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Smart Manufacturing Expo happening right here and right now from 19th to 25th of September at MITEC. We have 5 giant brands. So we have Qualcomm, Asiomtech, Solomon, Asia ICMP, and Hangquan.
Taiwan and Malaysia has always been very close in economically and in trade side. And in recent years, our investment in Malaysia has surged, as well as our trade between our two sides has been booming. The Smart Nation Expo is a very important regional platform for both Taiwanese and the Malaysian partnership. So I wish success to all the companies joining the expo.
Smart manufacturing solution providers and more. Malaysia is an important hub for high-tech industry in Southeast Asia. Through this event, I hope to strengthen cooperation on supply chains between Taiwan and Malaysia,
which each of them providing different solution, different strength that is relevant to your industry. So if you cannot come and meet them physically, don't worry, because this year they have an online pavilion.